Hey guys, it's ES Alice. We are doing a My Little Pony Final Figures and Mystery Minis. Series 2, I believe. It's been like a year since I've opened one, so I'm really excited. I want to keep this box, though, in a way. Life, man. I'm not gonna even try and feel. No. I need scissors here. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. I needed some scissors. Peek. I'll give you guys a peek. Okay, you can see the peek. Oh my god. I love her! Even though it's not the one I wanted, it's still so cool. I got, what's her name? I forgot her name. Let me think for a second. But I am in love with her, because I already got her in real pony version. But these are tinier.
Oh, I love her.
And they're tinier, and she's black. So, like, she can be the mother, the really big one, the bigger. So, comment down below what her name is. Hope you guys enjoy this video of me opening this pony. Sorry, I'm really bad with the names right now. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.